Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can adjust permissions and how we can manage them on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we need to open the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down to go to security and privacy, and then if you scroll down you'll find permission manager. Over here we can choose the permission, so let's say we're gonna choose camera, and now we can see apps that may ask you to grant permission to the camera. So let's say we're gonna choose phone, and over here we can choose if we want to grant access to camera for this app and only allow it when we use the app, or if we want the app to ask us every time we open the app, or if we don't want to allow the app to use the camera at all. And of course this is just one example, there are more permissions and we can manage them over here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.